I got some responses from some people I know saying that with the Charlie Kirk thing, that Christians shouldn't be political, or that we should be careful of being divisive in this time. But I think that this time is exactly the time that we should be speaking out. I think this is the time when somebody is martyred, and we should then be spreading the gospel and speaking out. The times throughout church history that we see the gospel really going on fire isn't the time of martyrdom. I mean, after the first martyr, Stephen, in the book of Acts, the gospel spread like wildfire, and we see how the church grew. So Christians, I think we should be political, we should be salt and light. And ideas have consequences, and that's what this whole channel is about. This is not a channel only for spreading the gospel. That is what we want to do. But this channel's vision and mission is to contain with ideas that have consequences, whether those ideas are good or bad. And unfortunately, we have bad ideas like calling people fascists and Nazis and the most evil things in the world, and saying that speech is violence, to have people believe that they will be acting out for themselves and protecting themselves and others by killing somebody like Charlie Kirk, who merely sat there under a gazebo having dialogue with people. Speech is not violence. If you tell people that they are victims, at some stage they're going to want to have a violent revolution that Marxism calls for, because this is cultural Marxism. And then we cannot be surprised if some people take it into their own action, into their own hands. So yes, so ideas have consequences. This is what this channel is about. So let's contend with the bad ideas out there, and let's contend and engage with the good ideas out there.